0, 0. You're gonna remember it?
5, 0, 0.
Oh, 5, all zeros. Oh, alright. Back to my intro. I just really wanted to film this video because I have experienced a lot of growth in my hair over the past few months, and I'm gonna show you guys some comparison pictures. If you did see my my story video, this is actually really big for me because I experienced a ton of shedding whenever I lost my baby, and it was kind of hard for me to grow my hair. But now, I mean, hey, I have bra strap length hair, and to me that's a big deal. So I just wanted to share with you guys some of my secrets and some of the stuff that I've been doing over the past few months. So without further ado, let's just get into that. The first tip that I would give you guys is obviously a consistent regimen. I know you probably hear this in a lot of YouTube guru videos, but it's honestly the truth. Your hair gets used to a consistent regimen, and it's almost like you're training your hair to grow. It may take some trial and error because for a while I was co-washing my hair until I found a pimple on my scalp, and I'm like, no, this is not supposed to be there. Clearly my hair isn't clean enough. What, baby? Huh? What time is it?
2 to 7.
2 and 7, let me see. It's 4:29. I say 5:15 we're gonna get you dressed for trick-or-treating, okay?
Because they're gonna scare me. I don't want to be.
I'm gonna dress you. Hey, stop screaming.
Okay.
Put some glitter on your eyes, all the cute stuff. Alright, let me film my video.
Okay.
Okay. You gotta be super quiet. It's really important to have a consistent regimen. For the longest time, I was co-washing my hair and I found a pimple on my scalp. And obviously that's kind of scary because I've never had a pimple on my scalp, first of all. Second of all, that's not where those things belong. They don't belong anywhere or anybody, but I don't know. It just kind of freaked me out. So I started just washing my hair once a week and deep conditioning once a week as well. But
I want to do the video with you.
You gotta wait till I'm finished, baby. Okay?
Okay.
And then we can film you getting
I
ready.
want to do you.
I asked you to be quiet, okay? We can film you getting ready for Halloween. How does that sound? What was I saying? I just started washing my hair with the shampoo and detangling, deep conditioning, all that good stuff. But if you want to see a hair routine video and like what I do on my wash days and what's my regimen, just comment down below and I will get that video out for you guys. But that would be the first tip. The second tip I would say is protective styling. Protective styling, that's a big thing for me because like I said, look at this, see, I am still shedding. That's gonna be another video because I need y'all's help.
How you got in your hair?
Because my hair falls out sometimes.
Oh.
I'm still experiencing a lot of shedding and I need y'all's help. It's not as much as it used to be, but I don't know, I just feel like my hair is kind of thinning out, and I think that's the reason why. But anyway, I try not to manipulate my hair too much because of the shedding, but also because I want to retain as much length as I can, and that is the best way to go about it. I have a video on my moisturizing protective styling routine, and that's basically what I do every wash day if I'm not wearing my hair out. And I'll protective style for about 3 weeks, and then I will like maybe just wear my curls or do something with my hair like a bantu knot or something like that. But for the most part, I do protective style my hair, and I think this growth comes from having a consistent regimen and making sure that I do protective style my hair. Third would be vitamins. I have started taking biotin and folic acid to nourish my hair from the inside. I used to take those vitamins whenever I was relaxed, and I did have some decent length whenever I was relaxed, but I stopped taking it whenever I went natural because I just didn't think it was necessary. But since I take Sax to my hair, I began taking it again and increasing my water intake. I've noticed that my roots are a lot shinier without me having to add product in it, and I haven't really done anything different besides the vitamins and the water. So that would be the third thing. Now the last and final tip that I have for you guys is oiling your scalp. I will oil my scalp 1 to 3 times a week depending on how dry my hair is. I have like an oil mixture that I won't tell you guys in this video. Should I tell them, Kinsley? Should I tell them what oils I use in my hair? She don't want me to tell y'all. I shouldn't tell them?
No.
Cover your ears. I use I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. Those oils I swear by. Absolutely swear by. A little bit goes a long way, and I'm gonna show you guys the comparison photos of before I started using the oil and after I started using the oil. This is just within a few months of progress. This isn't like 6 months, 12 months. I'm talking about maybe 2 or 3 months of using the oil. So it's amazing. I feel like if you have a healthy scalp, you have healthy hair, and if you have a healthy scalp, you also grow healthy hair. So this will probably be one of my biggest tips, is oiling your scalp with the right oils. Whatever. If you guys have any questions or would like to know anything, comment down below and I will either reply back or film a separate video about it. I do appreciate you guys for watching. I love y'all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Look in the camera. Not too far. Say bye.
Bye-bye.